Hello there, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a 2008 RC Colorado. It's the V6 petrol, automatic, 4-wheel drive, Alloytec, 3.6. As you can see, it's had a bit of a slide down the side there. It's got a canopy on it, a few little knocks and grazes around here and there, tow bar, a couple of doors down the side, a little bit wavy. I'll pop the bonnet, get some compliance plate details for you. And then we'll start it up. It's all there, unadulterated. And we have a 5th 08. And if you can read the other tags over there, there they are. The 10H9A code. I'll start it up for you. It's got, I think, 210,000 Ks on the clock. That's fairly well maintained and tidy. Start it up for you. 210,283. There we go. Tidy cloth trimmed, a bit of a clean, but it's not too bad. And another squeeze in the back here for you. There you go. Canopy on the back. A few add-on latches here and there. Alright, one RC Colorado for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. If you need some Colorado parts, or any other parts for that matter, give the Parts Plus guys a call on 02 4646 1733 and I'll be glad to help you out. Alright, we'll shut this down now and move on. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.